In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset a OneNote notebook in Microsoft 365. Sometimes OneNote can experience syncing issues, corrupted sections, or other unexpected behavior, and resetting a notebook can help resolve these problems. Today, I'll walk you through a safe and effective method to reset your OneNote notebook. Start by opening your OneNote app on your desktop. Make sure all notebooks are fully loaded and synced, so you don't lose any unsaved work. Once your notebook is open, identify the notebook you want to reset. You'll want to make sure it's the correct one before proceeding, as resetting will affect the notebook's connection and may require a resync. Next, close the notebook. To do this, right-click the notebook name in your notebook list and select Close this notebook. Closing it ensures that OneNote releases all connections and prepares it for a fresh sync. After closing, go to your OneDrive account where the notebook is stored. Open OneDrive in a browser, sign in if necessary, and locate the folder that contains your OneNote notebook. OneNote notebooks in Microsoft 365 are automatically stored in OneDrive, so this is the safest way to manage them. Now, we'll reset the local cache for the notebook. On your computer, open File Explorer and navigate to the OneNote cache folder. Typically, this is under your user profile in appdata/local/Microsoft/OneNote. If you don't see app data, make sure hidden items are visible. Inside the cache folder, find the folder corresponding to your OneNote version and delete it. This clears any corrupted local data without affecting your online notebook. Once the cache is cleared, go back to OneNote and reopen the notebook from OneDrive. Click File, then Open, and select the notebook from your OneDrive account. OneNote will download a fresh copy of the notebook and rebuild its local cache, resolving most syncing or corruption issues. And there you have it. Your OneNote notebook is now reset, fresh, and ready to use, with all content synced safely from OneDrive. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.